Bray's Series M1 severe service metal-seated ball valves are engineered for the harshest applications, including temperatures up to 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit or 593 degrees Celsius, pressures up to ASME class 4500, and protection from extreme corrosion and erosion in size ranges from 1/2 inch through 36 inch. The Series M1 features an integrated actuator mount attached to the body prior to machining. This results in precision stem alignment through the mount and stuffing box, eliminating misalignment while the upper stem bearing prevents side loading, which can cause leaks, even in less than ideal mounting orientations. Featuring an oversized blowout-proof stem, packing, gland follower, and Belleville washers, coupled with our ultra-durable actuator mount, Series M1 delivers the reliability required with long-term maintenance-free operation. Our application-specific high-performance coatings provide enhanced erosion and corrosion resistance even at extreme temperatures, resulting in extended service life. Zero leakage bubble-tight shutoff performance is guaranteed as a result of our 360-degree spherical mate lapping process. Series M1 valves are available with multiple configurations to handle even the most extreme service conditions, including power generation, refining, petrochemical service, and heavy solids in mining and slurry transport, with unidirectional and bidirectional sealing. Series M1 valves are custom engineered to meet the needs of your most demanding applications, including exotic alloys, liners, purge ports, and custom bores, all with world-class customer service.